Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best miter saw and table saw stands that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the portable table saw stand. If you're a contractor who needs to transport heavy table saws between job sites, this heavy-duty rolling stand makes mobility effortless while providing rock-solid stability. The alloy steel construction supports up to 330 pounds, while 8-inch rubber wheels guarantee smooth transport across work sites. You'll appreciate the stand's versatile mounting system with 14 holes that fit most table saw brands. Its compact folding design, activated by a quick-release pin lever, saves valuable workshop space. While assembly is straightforward with most parts pre-assembled, you'll want to review the connection instructions carefully. The adjustable feet help achieve perfect leveling on uneven surfaces. Moving on at number 4, we have the Dewalt miter saw stand. Professional woodworkers seeking maximum support for heavy materials will find their match in the Dewalt DWX 723 heavy-duty miter saw stand. You'll appreciate its impressive 500-pound capacity and ability to handle materials up to 16 feet long, while weighing just 35 pounds itself. The stand's universal design works with all miter saw brands, featuring quick-release mounting brackets for efficient setup. When you're done, it folds down from 150 inches to 73 inches wide, making storage a breeze. With non-marring feet, adjustable work stops, and a sturdy aluminum build, you'll get precise cuts and reliable performance backed by Dewalt's 3-year warranty. At number 3, we have the POWERTEC portable miter saw stand. DIY enthusiasts and contractors seeking a versatile miter saw stand will find the POWERTEC MT4000V an impressive solution, thanks to its 3 built-in power outlets and robust 330-pound load capacity. You'll appreciate the stand's mobility features, including 2 8-inch super grip rubber wheels that make transportation across various surfaces effortless. The spring-loaded legs allow quick setup, while the universal mounting brackets accommodate most 10 and 12 miter saws. At just 40 pounds, you can easily fold and store it horizontally or vertically in your workshop. With dimensions of 49x 16.25x 8.25 inches when folded and a 79.25-inch extended width, it's both compact and spacious when needed. At number 2, we have the BORA Universal Miter Saw Stand. The BORA Universal Miter Saw Stand PM 4000 strikes an impressive balance between versatility and stability, making it an excellent choice for weekend warriors and home improvement enthusiasts. You'll appreciate its 500-pound capacity and extended outrigger arms that reach 114 inches, perfect for handling materials up to 10 feet long. The quick-release mounting system lets you attach and detach your 12-inch miter saw effortlessly, while the 36-inch working height provides comfortable operation. The tubular steel construction guarantees durability, yet remains lightweight and foldable for easy storage. With optional wool kits and mounting brackets available, you can customize this stand to suit your specific woodworking needs. And finally, at number 1, we have the Dewalt miter saw stand. Serious contractors seeking a robust miter saw stand will find exceptional value in Dewalt's DWX 726 rolling model. The sturdy tubular steel frame supports up to 300 pounds while offering 3-position pneumatic lifting for quick setup. You'll appreciate the wide rubber wheels for easy job site transport and the adjustable mounting rails that fit most miter saws. Despite its 25-pound weight, you can collapse it vertically for compact storage in your workshop or truck. While the pictorial assembly instructions could be clearer, the one-time setup is straightforward. With a 4.6 star rating from over 7,600 users, it's a reliable choice for both professionals and serious DIYers. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.